Say hey, Rocco. Hello, guys, people. I am back. Me and Rocco, my dog. I found this flower today, but we are walking the block. We walked all of that, and now I'm walking back. Yeah, it's been a great day so far. I was running some, walking some. Now I am running, walking, because I don't want my flower to fall. But I missed y'all. I'm back. I'm so happy to be back. Look at this water, y'all. That's the water. So pretty. But I love being outside. It's so relaxing. It's so helpful. Just for your health, most definitely, but for your mental too. I hope you guys are being productive and active. I had some time off today, so I decided to get on here. I know I promised the other day that I was gonna be on here, but running errands. But to my new subscribers, hey y'all, welcome. I'm so glad you guys are joining. I'm so glad my new subscribers, you guys, for joining my channel. Thank you. This is God's channel. I say God's world. God's way for my life. I'm going to be on here more often, doing traveling vlogs, because I am going to Florida. I'm going to Florida next week. So that's exciting. I'm actually really ready for that. I need a vacation. But I'm glad you guys have joined my channel. I'm gonna have lots of fun here. We're all family, okay? We're all kings and queens of God. Yeah, I'm all about positivity, great things, good things for all of us. Especially in this world where it's just so evil. We have to spread positivity, spread love, and that's why I made this channel. God has pushed me to make this channel for that, so I'm excited you guys joined the journey. It's going to be exciting, very exciting. I'm at the water now. So pretty, so pretty. The duckies, so some ducks. Yeah, the duckies. But it's so beautiful. Me and Rocco. Say hey, Rocco. Rocco. He loves the water. I do too, though. It's peaceful. I was gonna go to the lake today, Lake Murray, but I decided to go here. I wanted to bring him because it's gonna be a long ride, and he don't do good with car rides, so. I'm so happy to be back on here, y'all. So happy. This is my happy place. Y'all all so amazing. I pray that you all that have a channel, I pray that God bless your channel with much success and prosperity for you all this year. For all of us to keep going, keep shining, definitely keep growing. Like always, we're growing every day, we're evolving every day. But you have to make the most of it. Live life to the fullest. And don't get so caught up, just the emotions of life. But being able to just breathe, live, and let God. Most importantly. Look at the duckies. But I just wanted to get on here and say, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all. I'm miss y'all, and I love y'all so much. Your support, your love is appreciated. I want to make sure to pour into you guys as much as you all pour into me. That's why I'm here. To pour into you all love, positivity, peace, light. Because that's what God is inside of me. So I want to be that for you all. Light, love, you know. I always like to say I am love in a temporary human form. Because God is love. And that's all I want this world to be. But it starts with us. It starts with you. So always keep that in mind. Keep God first. And keep love in your heart. Always. Because God judges us by our hearts. So, love y'all. Remember, God loves you more. Stay strong. Be positive. Be courageous. And always pray. Never cease to pray. Never cease to pray. Look at my fly back come out. But I love y'all. I'm gonna keep recording some clips of like the beautiful nature because it's so beautiful out here.
Yahweh died for you, sweetheart. It's better that you deserve. It's not even worth that hurt. 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 P31, that's what you are. I see you shining, girl, you like a star. You be on your grind, you working hard. You and your whip got your own car. Look at God, oh, he done brought you far. You so amazing, oh, don't get me started. Baby, come get your kick up. Baby, come get your kick up. Don't put your head on your makeup. Don't lift your head down, pick your face up.
If you take me out